Recent independent durability tests, most notably by well-known tech durability channels, have revealed mixed but concerning results for Samsung's first TriFold smartphone. In scratch tests, the outer cover screen performed similarly to other foldables, showing marks at moderate levels, but the inner flexible display proved much more fragile, easily scratching and showing signs of wear under everyday contact. During fold and bend tests, the device struggled significantly. The triple hinge system began making creaking noises early on, and after prolonged folding cycles, tens of thousands of folds, hinge elasticity weakened, requiring extra force to open fully. In a more extreme bend test where pressure was applied in an unsupported direction, the TriFold failed outright, deforming and causing the display to go dark, marking a rare complete failure in common torturous testing. While Samsung's own lab rating claims the TriFold can endure up to 200,000 folds, about 5 years at typical use rates, real-world stress testing has shown performance below that threshold and more fragile areas around hinges and display panels, suggesting users will need to handle the device more carefully than traditional phones or previous Galaxy Fold models.